My administration dey in a hurry to develop new cities, and the construction of the Port Harcourt Ring Road project go facilitate the achievement of the objective with ogbonge infrastructure for the people of Rivers State. Governor Simeola Fubara gave this assurance after them signed the contract papers between the Rivers State Government and Julius Berger Nigeria PLC for the construction of the project for the Executive Chambers of Government House for Port Harcourt on Wednesday, July 12, 2023. The people wey sign on behalf of the Rivers State Government now the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Professor Zacchaeus Adango, Commissioner for Works, Dr. George Kelly Dankoriyama Alabo, and the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Works, Ebere Dennis Emenike, while the Managing Director, Dr. Leas Richa, and the Assistant Regional Manager, Raymond Maisho, signed for Julius Berger Nigeria PLC. Oga Fubara talk say the best time to start the project wey get completion period of 36 months now, and that na why dem don already release 75% of the contract wey be 195.3 billion naira to make Julius Berger give the project urgent attention sharply.
For Julius Berger, the reason why we engaged you have an history in this state. Landmark development in this state have not been achieved without you. We have the cases of our flyovers. You're instrumental to them. We have the cases of wonderful medical centers that we have built. I don't need to mention their names. It is also part of the things you've done in these states, and people have seen the standard. So we choose your company to embark on this project, not because we like your faces, no, but we want to give Rivers State quality. We want to ensure that this project, as we start it, we will complete it. If we have to do it, we need a reputable company that has the track record of delivering. So we are not doing this because we like you. We're doing it because we want you to still show that level of performance that you have been doing, have been recording in this state. On our part, as a government, we will meet our own obligation. After this event, we're paying you. The total value of the contract is 195.3, and we're paying you 77% of it, which is about 150. About 150 plus. And in our agreement, we have agreed with you that once we have confirmed delivery of 75% of the initial fund released, we'll commence your balance. And we are committed to that, I can assure you. For a few people who are saying, why are we embarking on this project now? It's a project that is going to run for 36 months. If this project is running for 36 months, when is the best time to start it? Do we start it after 2 years? This is the right time. So that before the twilight of our administration, this project will be commissioned.
The governor can call on all traditional rulers and youths where the project go pass through their communities to give their full support and make them not do anything to cause problem for the progress of the project. And say any of them will try to tamper with the project go collect suspension and persecution. Oga Fubara also talk say as them they do the Port Harcourt Ring Road project, the administration not go stop to give attention to other important sectors, including the health sector, by providing facilities, ogbonge infrastructure, and also support them to deliver the best service to Rivers people.
This project is transversing about 6 local governments: Okrika, Eleme, Echie, Ikwere, Obiakpo, and Faga. In these LGAs, communities or villages, whatever we call them, that these projects are going to run through, let me make this statement very clearly. The community chiefs, the traditional rulers there, must cooperate with you. Any traditional ruler with his youth that wants to be a problem will immediately be suspended, and any youth caught trying to sabotage our government will be prosecuted. For the good people of Rivers State, when we started, we assured you that we will not give you anything but the best. This project is going to open up the state. It is going to bring a fast and modern development. In terms of estate, you call it real estate investment, it will venture into it. It will expand the scope of this state. It will not be just Faga and Obiakpo and some section of Eleme, but every other place that it passes through will be part of a new city in Rivers State. So it's important to us that everybody should give us the necessary support. Necessary support, I mean that, because we need this project.
For in speech, the managing director of Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, Dr. Elias Richard, talk say the company don't be part of the infrastructural transformation for the immediate past administration and can't give assurance say the company not go compromise quality and timeliness for the delivering of the project.
On behalf of the entire management and staff of Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, I share the honor of welcoming you all on this very meaningful occasion for the contract signing of the construction and dualization of Port Harcourt Ring Road. Having been challenged and tested by the government and people of Rivers State with every magnificent project since the inception of the last administration from 2015 till the first quarter of this year, for which Julius Berger Nigeria PLC never failed, it now justifies why we should sign the contract for the construction and dualization of the Ring Road today. The record demonstrates a success story of Rivers State, a commitment of Julius Berger, and a strong partnership between Rivers State and Julius Berger. Consequently, we have signed the contract for the construction of the Ring Road today, which consists of 45-kilometer long dualized road, 6 flyovers, and 1 creek bridge. The Rivers State government has shown their vision and foresight in a true investment in infrastructure for progress. We commend the Rivers State government for this, and we are honored to be chosen partners again for construction of the vision by the new Executive Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Simonalai Fubara. On behalf of the entire management and Board of Directors of Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, I thank you for your trust and for giving our company the opportunity to deliver on the biggest project with the Rivers State government ever. Thank you very much, and God bless Nigeria.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojeisele, TMC TV News.